Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can obtain the Colorful Brick Sparrow bird info card in Heartopia. So we are going to start the special brick bird event. You're going to start this one and you'll need 20 brick tickets. I already have a separate video on how you can obtain these tickets. So let's just press confirm. And I'm just going to start, wait, is my hold on, I need to... Oh, I actually don't need to repair it. Oh, I guess I'll repair something else. But it is easier if you have the bird bush. I don't know what it's called. Camouflage bush and the... I need to get this before it disappears. Okay, there we go. So we are going to start the event here, and I am going to be using the bird whistle. Okay, and then we're going to use the camouflage bush. Oh, I see one up there. Hello. Our first colorful brick sparrow. And that's pretty much it, really. It's easier now to get the secret collectibles, I guess, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.